Welcome to Integrated Systems Europe 2025 here in Barcelona, the world-renowned annual tech show for the systems integration and audio-visual industry. Well, the NETGEAR stand at the ISE always draws the crowds, and I wonder why. Well, let's talk to Richard now from NETGEAR. Great to see you in Barcelona
Great
again.
to see you again, yeah.
And what exactly are you showcasing this time?
Yeah, it's still a thing that's new to us. We come from Planet IT. This what you see here is Planet Audio Video, and there's a third planet called Planet Broadcast, and all three are coming together now. And that's exciting, so we're here to help AV people do IT. We make life easier for them. I know that they're merging broadcast technology in what they do, which is really the number one trend, I would say, at the ISE this year. That means we need to do double that effort. Help AV, help broadcast, run everything that they do over a network and make it easy for them.
And it really is this coming together of all of those different planets that you said that makes this show so fantastic. But what exactly are people coming to you and asking for?
Yeah, I think there's a lot of education. They ask us to be educated about networks, or stop educating me, help me. So those are the questions we get. And it's typically a group of either manufacturers. We now represent relations here with 370 manufacturers. Latest one is NVIDIA that we work with now, so that's a nice one to add to the portfolio. But what we do for all of them is integrate their products on the network easily, so they don't have to worry about it. We debug it together. You see many booths here. We are in hall number 2, are around the application, like Microsoft Teams. And you see booths that facilitate that with equipment made for Microsoft Teams. There are hardware products made just to do that. 21:9 video is a typical 5K Teams display. But how do you do that on the network? Well, you need to encode the video, run it over the network, decode it at the other end, so we help with that. But I need audio. Well, the audio companies, they use certain standards, AES 67 in the broadcast world, Dante in the commercial AV world, and we make that easy, so it's one-click configuration, and whether you're in broadcast, commercial AV, or even residential AV, those problems need to be solved. We always say AV people need to focus on what they're good at, the user experience, or the quality of the broadcast, right? No black screens, we don't like that, it just needs to work. But then let the plumbing to the plumber, let them handle it, and that's our role here.
And how do you stay ahead of the trends and indeed the competition? Why do customers come to NETGEAR?
Yeah, that's a good question. I think you spot the trends early when you talk to the people that do the innovation. So we have relations with over 400 CTOs in the manufacturer world. They do the technology. And then the customers talk to our integrator community. And then this comes together, right? I can make something. I have a problem that needs to be solved, and that needs to meet in the middle, and we found ourselves comfortable as a seat between those two. So translate customer problems into solutions, translate technology into something that I actually want to buy. That's great, that's the conversation here at ISE.
And tell me about the future. Look into that crystal ball for me, and how excited are you for what's ahead?
Beyond excited about the merge between broadcast and commercial AV. It is literally happening with a new hall here at ISE. Go look in hall 8, all the big broadcast guys are here. But if you look at the most shiny hall of all of them, in hall 3, the big display manufacturers and the LED wall manufacturers are merging from analog technology or proprietary technology to AV over IP. They're using SMPTE 2110, which is a hardcore broadcast standard, to bring signals to LED displays that are in a football stadium. So go check that out in hall number 3. You can't miss it because they're the biggest booth in this whole show. All of it runs now on SMPTE 2110. I'll give you a few examples. PixelU, part of Novastar Group, has a NETGEAR switch doing SMPTE 2110 with their control systems, very exciting. Christie Digital, a long-term partner, used to do commercial audio video with SDVoE, 10 gig standard, and they now also have SMPTE 2110 that they show. So it means that the largest companies in this business are merging these technologies together. Go check out IPMX, an exciting new open standard represented by a lot of manufacturers. We're also showing it on our booth. So if you have the chance to look at that, it is where broadcast and commercial AV literally meet in the middle.
We'll definitely get the steps in today. Richard, thank you so much and good luck with the rest of the show.
Thank you very much.